The best weed control for centipede grass. Centipede grass is a common turf grass found on home lawns in the southern United States and is known for its low maintenance requirements. However, centipede grass lawns may suffer from weeds, a problem especially apparent during winter months when the dormant grass contrasts with lush weeds. Herbicides. Herbicides can be used to control different pest weeds. Apply pre-emergent herbicides before March to control crabgrass and goosegrass. Broadleaf weeds can be controlled with post-emergent herbicides, while halosulfuron is suitable for treating unwanted sedges. Herbicides to use cautiously. Centipede grass is sensitive to the herbicides 2,4-D and MSMA, so follow label directions with caution or choose alternative herbicides like metasulfuron or sethoxidum. Cultural practices. Proper cultural practices are key to encouraging dense, healthy centipede grass that will discourage weed growth. Over-fertilizing centipede grass often leads to problems with the appearance of the lawn. Avoid low mowing in early spring to preserve runners. Use proper irrigation practices and aerate if necessary.